Jill at her stand, and Buzz is already here and unloaded. So he's pretty quick. We had a load of wood we hired Buzz to haul up. Looks like he's got a new grapple. And there's Elvira. Hi, Elvira. The big Kenworth. Wood's a little dirty, does have some beetle kill in it, so Jill will be happy with that. We'll pressure wash it off or cut this up next spring. This was a free load. A new contractor wanted it moved and out of the way, so we're busy with Surge, and I had Buzz pick that up for me this morning. And our wood piles are slowly going down out here. We're out of cottonwood, half a cord left. And the wind is blowing for this late October. No snow yet, very windy, about 42 degrees. So I got my old work jacket on, and we're gonna get back at it here. We've got 7 log lift bags filled, ready to go. Got one that broke out there. And by the time you see this video, Jill will be nearly done her cruise. She hasn't left yet, but we're trying to get a video or two ahead here, so she's overstacking on this cold, windy day.
Thank you, dear. Picked the coldest day of the year so far. We must have 20 degree with the wind chill out here.
Yeah, I just showed him King Mountain all the snow we had on there. So I delivered 3 cord this morning already, and Jill's got we have 2/3 of a cord going back to Valdez, another new Valdez customer. So this is going to make at least 10 customers we have down there now. So word's spreading down there that we have dry birch, and we're the closest dealer, wood provider to Valdez, Nelson Gowin to Palmer, and we're 235 miles. So just to give you an idea how they have a lot of spruce down there and cottonwood, but no birch. The birch, when you get about 30 miles north here, doesn't grow in certain areas. So we have a lot of birch here, of course, and we have it out stacked beside the road in those piles, as you just saw where Buzz unloaded, and they just go by and see it, and that's what happened today. A lady pulled in going to town, said she'd be back and pick up 2/3 of a cord. So Jill decided to stack up 2/3 of a cord here real quick.
This is the kind I don't have to. This stack here, I won't have to worry about if it stands longer than 10 minutes if it falls over.
And we're just stacking it right on the ground, or Jill's stacking it on the ground.
Yeah, we.
Yeah. I say we, she must have a mouse in her pocket. She's been stacking over here steady also. So I think she's over 12 cord here now stacked. And of course we sell out of it every day. And this is a cottonwood pallet that I've made. It's actually holding up pretty well. We used, piled a bunch of wood on it, and it's holding up well. Well, this cold, dreary October day, late in the fall, Kinney Lake is about 160 miles away. So So this is a customer from last year. He brings 2 dump trucks. So we're going to load these up today. The big truck last year we got 3 1/4 cord in. Probably going to get 3 in this, so it'll be 6.5 cord today going out. So if you only got 1 driver, you put the truck on the trailer. And when Tom come down today, I'll show you what he's got on his truck.
All the way down the legs. It was terrible.
Snow and slush. So I said he's from Kenny Lake and gonna take lots of wood back. So we get loaded up.
We will fill anything you want to bring out here.
And Jill's gonna stack the trucks today, so I'm
Oh yeah.
keep her out of trouble.
Sure. There's 2 dump trucks loads I don't have to stack.
So we'll get them loaded up today, and then we'll bring you back and show you what it looks like when we get all loaded up here in this cold, wet rain. Something we don't have here in the yard very often is water. So it looks like the bunny's got a cold ride this morning.
I'm gonna get going fast as I can here.
All right, you can. She's all ready to go. So this is how we load the Mack truck.
Ain't that pretty? Nah.
As my grandfather said, Mack truck and Caterpillar built this country. So as you can see, the importance of big trucks bringing the wood in.
And also loading trucks, getting 3 full cords into a truck, and they're going to be warm this winter.
So when you see a truck driver of any kind, thank them. They support this country. They make the country run.
They most certainly do.
And as you can see here in the yard, it's drying up. It's gotten colder. It quit raining for a few days finally, so the yard does dry out quickly. And ooh, look at over there on King Mountain. That snow is down there. Slight breeze today. And it's coming down pretty well on Pinnacle. That's a little closer to us. So it's about, I would say about 2,000 feet in elevation. We have snow. And snow all around us.
All right, well, let me show you what we have sawed out this week.
So that is Alaskan birch burrow we sawed out. So we have quite a few slabs. Don't know what we're going to make out of them, but we'll get them dried out for the woodworking shop, which is coming along pretty good. You've been sheetrocking, and all of that's about to come to a halt this week because of what is happening Thursday.
I'm going on my trip. I'm going on my cruise.
Can't wait. 80-degree weather down in Mexico.
So, Izzy and I, the Woodhound, will be here for nearly 2 weeks.
Holding down the fort.
Getting the work done as usual.
Oh, boo-hoo.
So we hope you enjoyed our video today, and thanks for subscribing everyone and give us the likes. We appreciate it, and we enjoy the comments and questions. And from the Alaska Woodyard, we keep the sawdust flying.
And thanks for coming along.